How's that, bud?
Runs good.
Runs good? Just kill the key there. Will it start again? So it would have charged if we kept the lights off. But it'll still drain. Just pop the...
We should just bring it home and charge it because the battery's good then. If it was able to charge and start.
I think yeah, we'll pull it up. Pull it up and bring it home. Sure, why not? And then we'll do it. We'll run a test on it.
Well, we sulfate it too or whatever.
Yeah. Yeah, how'd you like that machine?
It's fun.
Yeah?
That one's tippy, it looks like.
Oh, on the front end it's heavy. Yeah. It's not meant for the same kind of stuff, right?
Almost flipped this one.
Yeah.
I was really close. Like, I had to hold on like this.
Oh, you almost did go over it. I don't think I got it on my camera.
Really?
Yeah, the camera was off.
Oh.
Stupid cameras. I hate these GoPros. Okay. Well, let's wrap her up.
Yeah.
Actually, let me take it for a rip.
Will it start again?
I don't know. Will it? Oh yeah.
Yes, it will.
I'll break it.
Are you recording? Yeah, I know, it sucks to get into.
What is it? First, I can't even get in here with this camera on.
Oh, you almost stalled it. Now imagine this with a TDI motor in it.
It rips, man.
It was fun.
That was a good little rip. Yeah, so two of those would be really good for ripping.
I know.
Yeah, this is more of a work machine. But the winch came in handy.
Yeah, it did.
Alrighty, well, let's pack her up and get home.